machine behind us is a plasma nitrider, and the main use for this is to harden the journals on the cranks and the lobes on the camshafts. It can be used to surface harden any metal, and this particular machine, as well as doing steel-based materials, has got the capability to work with titanium, so we're covered in everything we're going to want to do in terms of surface hardening. You got a chamber, you put the material in, you evacuate the air, you bring it up to a temperature, and then you introduce gases, and they infiltrate the surface of the metal and make it harder. We've got to be able to harden the cam lobes and the crank journals, and this is the way it's got to be done. We've got complete control over the process with our own machine, and we'll have a full-time guy running it, and we should be in pretty good shape. It'll be mostly used initially on engine components, cranks and cams in the broad, although you could probably harden the drive gears and sprockets for the cam drive and various other things. Anything that's really got a sliding, lubricated surface is probably going to benefit. Basically, those parts will be machined from billets, and then they'll be nitrided, and then they'll be basically ground to net shape and then super finished. After the nitriding process, there's usually a grinding process and a super finishing process to complete the part. The better the finishes of all these things are, the longer the life of the part, and that's always what you're looking for. The machine looks really good, and I'm really confident it's going to work well.